What do you do if a sprint goal is at risk mid-sprint? If a sprint goal is at risk mid-sprint, the first thing I do is step back and understand why. Is it a blocker? A technical issue? I check in with the dev team and QA to get a clear picture of what's holding things up. Once I have that, I look at options. Can we reduce scope without losing value? Can we shift a lower priority story out of the sprint to make space? I bring that discussion into our stand-up or a quick sync, and if needed, I loop in the Scrum Master and key stakeholders to make sure everyone's aligned on the adjustment. In MD staff, there was a sprint where a key routing enhancement ran into unexpected QA delays. I worked with the team to break off the most critical piece we could still test and release, and move the rest into the next sprint. That helped us protect the overall goal without derailing delivery. How do you prepare for a release? What steps do you take to make sure it's successful? Sure. Preparing for a release starts well before the go-live date. I work closely with QA, devs, and business teams to make sure everything is tested, approved, and clearly documented. That includes confirming all stories are accepted, defects are resolved or deferred with agreement, and UAT is fully signed off. I also coordinate with stakeholders to line up training, communication, and any support plans. Internally, I double-check that everyone is clear on what's included in the release. No surprises, nothing critical is missing, and the team knows exactly what's going out. In MD staff, before rolling out the PNF automation, I walk through every workflow with QA and SMEs, confirmed routing logic was tested end-to-end, and made sure support teams were ready for post-go-live questions. That upfront prep made the release smooth and gave everyone confidence in what we delivered.